Alright guys, and welcome back to a new trading session. Today I decided to do another live trading session because I've realized, okay, a lot of people want to see this, and yeah, so here we go. It's pretty close to 9:30, so currently I'm in Europe. It's 3:30 p.m, so it's in the afternoon for me. So I already finished work, and yeah, now it's time to trade for me. I'm waiting until 9:30. I mean, there is currently almost a setup, but I don't really want to trade before 9:30. So now I'm waiting. So what I'm looking for at the moment is, because we had here a market structure shift on the 1 minute chart, and I started to draw out the standard deviation again. And what I also really liked was the 1 hour candle. So the 1 hour candle was straight going up. We have almost no wick to the downside, and also in addition to that we hit the -2, -2.5 level, so that's actually what I'm looking for always. And then in the new candle we had this 1 minute inversion fair value gap, and this would have been my entry. So actually, like, this move up, this would have been my entry. Stop loss above here, target here. But yeah, I was like, okay, I don't want to risk anything before the open, but yeah, it looks like we're going down. So this would have been my entry. Yeah, but I'm expecting the open can still push a bit higher. So yeah, let's see what we get. We have 4 minutes left, but there's nothing on N3. So normally what I'm also looking is, because the open is quite aggressive, I'm not taking every -1 fair value, inversion fair value gap as an entry. So also most of the time I'm waiting for an inversion M3 gap, but there's nothing here. So yeah, but I just want to show you a perfect example of the model I'm trading, because it actually appeared here. So you can see perfectly we swept the high. Let's see where was the open. Yeah, here perfectly. So the open was right here. We had the 6 a.m. candle opening here. Almost no wick to the downside. We went up, then we went a bit down, but then we swept this high here, and then we had again the inversion fair value gap, and your entry could have been just here. Stop loss here above the high, and then you can just target. Okay, this would have been okay. I don't know. That would have been because normally I'm looking for at least 3R, but yeah, just to present you my entry model. But yeah, you will see. So let's see what we get today. I'm really careful today, so I can show you my Top Step account. And I'm only using one funded account today because I also have some other stuff going around later, so I don't want to sit too long in front of the charts. Yeah, daily loss limit today is $250. After my daily loss limit gets hit, yeah, I'm locked out, so there's no chance taking a second trade. I mean, I can take multiple trades if I lower my position size, but I don't really want to do that. But yeah, let's see. And my plan for now is, if we get a sweep, so when the open appears and we get a little pump up again, and I don't know, for example, we sweep this high here and then we create another inversion fair value gap, I'm willing to take a short. But at the moment it really looks like, yeah, like, yeah, like this was the trade I wanted to take. Fuck, that's it's literally a 5.09 R trade. That's crazy. Like, that's really, really crazy. But yeah, I'm not in. But yeah, now we are creating SMT again. So that's really, yeah, interesting. So I want to see how NQ reacts, because now we have clearly SMT, because yeah, ES already swept this low here, and NQ is not so weak like ES. So yeah, Is there anything on M5? Nope. I mean, on M3 we could take this one here, but yeah, that's actually a really bad risk to reward ratio. Or is it? I mean, one target could be this 1 hour fair value gap here. Just want to change it. It's fair value gap, not inversion. But I don't know if that's realistic without the high getting swept. So I think we get this sweep again. Like, I think this high here will be touched from the open. Like, this could be literally a perfect quick scalp, but okay. Let's see how the price action starts. Okay, this was the trade I wanted to take. But let's see. Just want to explain, yeah, I'm not taking any trades here right after the open, because yeah, I don't want to get stopped out. What I also do, I'm marking out the opening range. So yeah, the opening range for me is the range from the first 30 seconds after the open. Okay, that's interesting for longs right now. Let's see. But yeah, I want to chill a bit. Like, this can sell down a lot more. Like, I think maybe we can. Okay, I'm deleting the position, but I don't know if I want to take this. Do I want to take this? Should I? Yeah, I'm in. 1 micro at first. I want to see how the candle reacts. But this can be just the next down move. So this is the trade I want to take. But yeah, it looks like it sells down. I'm not in full size. When is the 1 hour candle, 1 minute candle closing? Okay, quite late. Okay, looks like it gets respected, so I'm just double sized, so now we have 2 micros in. But yeah, I don't want to scale in right now, and to be honest, I have no idea what's the target. I don't know, because this way here is all-time high, but like that's unrealistic. But yeah, let's keep it like this at first. If I see any weakness in price, I might take profits a lot earlier. But yeah, most of the time I'm using also standard deviation for my targets. And yeah, so like the bullish target would be the -4 level. But I have no idea, like maybe that's just the manipulation for the short. Because as you know, I always want to place my orders like in the lower wick, and I almost did that here. So I think my entry is somewhere here right now. But yeah, maybe like this is just a 1 minute chart, so the candle, like we can just buy up, take out the high here, and then sell down again. But yeah, I think I want to see this 5-minute candle now to close above yeah, this part here, and maybe then I'm willing to size in a bit more. But yeah, let's see. Because I don't want to lose too much for a shit trade. At the moment I don't really have any target, so yeah, I'm not really interested. Okay, now we have SMT here. Okay, this is not the close I wanted to see. Let's see how the M3 chart is looking. Yeah, I think maybe we get stopped out. Yeah. Or not, is it selling up? Is it buying up? I don't know. I think, to be honest, we have our M3 inversion here. I think I'm stepping in with more size, and if I get stepped out now, I'm fine. Because right now, currently, I'm using this M3 inversion fair value gap as an entry because we closed above it. And yeah, but I'm still, I don't know, like there's still a high chance that we go lower. But yeah, I really like the SMT here. I know, I think I go in, yes, like this. That's fine now. So now if I lose, when I'm losing this trade, I think my daily loss limit can get hit, so I think I'm using my stop losses here now. As you can see, my daily loss limit is at 250, so when this stop loss gets hit, the account is locked. But I think I'm fine with that. Wow. Yeah? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, quite interesting now. Okay, what is ES doing? Yeah, ES wants to go more down. Okay, my entry's up here. I think I took it wrong. My stop loss is here. Yeah, because I want to stay more in trading view. Yeah, now it's quite interesting because now it's important how the M5 and M3 candle is closing, because if we close the M3 candle, for example, the candle is closing in 2 minutes. If we close down here, I think this will be a loss. But if this candle here buys up again, it still looks like really bullish for me. And also the M5 candle, like this at the moment is the retest, and this candle here just creates a wick, and this is how it looks like at the moment. We still have 2 minutes left, and now it buys up, and I don't know, closes somewhere here. This is like a bullish setup for me. But yeah, if we close down here, yeah, I'm not really happy. Alright. How's the 1 minute chart looking? Yeah, so what I want to see is this candle here closing strong and green as confirmation. But I don't know if we can get this. There's almost a bit more than a minute left until the M5 candle is closing. So let's see. This is how I want to see it, but how much time is it? Okay, 40 seconds. Yeah, perfect. But like I said, I have no idea where should I take profit now. So for my model, it should be like the -4, but we have a strong expansion day today, so it can be higher. But yeah, I think there is a point where I'm moving my stop to break even. So maybe when we take the high here, I don't know. We still don't really have a long wick here, so this might be, I don't know. I think it also depends how the, okay, that's a like really nice M5 close. But yeah, so now we are touching the previous high. So yeah, what I don't want to see now is just a candle buying up and then creating a large wick to the top. So that would be a bad signal, because I don't know, I don't really trust this. So like, I think you guys know already, I'm trading 1 hour candles, power of 3, and I don't really like it when we don't have a long wick. So this might be still just the manipulation move. I'm not sure, maybe we go up until here, but yeah. But now we actually made some great profits. I think I'm moving my stop loss here. But yeah. Yeah, interesting. But yeah, I want to see how this 5-minute candle here is closing here. So if we close above the high, I'm willing to stay in. But yeah, if we just get this red long wick candle, yeah, I think I'm just leaving the position. Yeah, something like this. So when we close like this, I'm happy to get out. At the moment, the M3 candle still looks good. Yeah, the candle just opened, so we can still buy up. Yeah, let's stay on the 1-minute chart. I want this inversion for value gap here to hold. Yeah, for value gap, not inversion. But yeah, if this becomes an inversion gap, doesn't, like, this would have been really bad. Let's see. Okay, that's quite shit. I think, should I put my, I don't know. I think I leave it here. 180, that's okay. Okay, this looks really bad right now, but it can be just a manipulation down move. I don't know. To be honest, I don't want to get stopped out. I think I'm risking again like 230. That's fine for me. But yeah, it looks like we are taking a loss. What is yes doing? Okay, yes, it's going down as well. Yeah, but this is like literally what. Okay, shit. Because we hit the -4 target here perfectly, and now we are going to, yeah, price is going down. So this was literally my target before, and I forgot the -4 level here. Yeah. this here. I don't know, there's still the chance we get up, but we have the M5 candle closing in 30 seconds. When the candle is closing down here, I'm not really yeah, optimistic. You can see this doesn't look great. And also on same for ES. Yeah, 10 seconds left. Okay. And now we also have a new M15 candle. Post the previous one. Yeah, okay. This looks not really great. Yeah, I think this will be a loss. Yeah. I think I'm leaving a bit more space. We almost got stumped out. Wow. Quite heavy open here. Okay, we have SMT here. No. I don't know. Okay, price is coming more down. Shit, yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, okay,